Good morning, class. Okay, class, before we start our new lesson for today, let me ask you first if you still remember the last topic that we discussed. What was our last topic last time? Yes? Anyone? Very good. Let's give her a 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. And who can share something about the last topic last time? Anyone? Yes. Very good. Let's give her a 2 claps. 1, 2. Before we discuss our lesson for today, we will have an activity. And this activity is called Whisper Challenge. I'll group you into 2. The mechanics of this activity is you will know what's your classmate to whisper, those words that you need to recognize. And I need 2 persons to each group. And who wants to volunteer? Yes. From the activity that we did, what do you notice or observe in the words? And what do you think is our lesson for today? Yes? Anyone? Very good. Our lesson for today is socialization of a process of learning to be a fully human. For you to understand it more, I will group the class into 3. Each group will be given a brown envelope that has questions inside. For the group 1, create a role play about the socialization of a process of learning fully human and perform it in the front of a class. And for group 2, make a slogan about socialization. And for the group 3, for the last group, you're going to have a brainstorming about socialization and each member will be participate and say something about socialization. Is it clear? Go to your perspective group. Based on the activity that we did, again, what is our topic for today? Yes? Very good. Let's give her a yes clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Any idea about socialization? Yes. Very good. Socialization is the process of learning to have in a way that acceptable to our society. Socialization is also the activity of mixing society with others. It also helps individuals to develop to be a fully human. And it also helps students for the communication skills. And we have also here 8 types of socialization. The first one is social determinism. When we say social determinism, it is individual has no choice but to follow certain factors of causes than behavior. It is also considered as a certain human as such as committing suicide or a writing poem. And I prepare here a question. Why determinism is important? For you, yes. Very good. Determinism is important because it is usually understood to preclude because it entails that human cannot act otherwise than they do. Who invented social determinism? It was invented by Émile Durkheim, a French philosopher, and considered as a father of a social science. The next one is feral children or wild children. It is human beings to be socialized using the absence of parental guidance. Feral child or wild children are those who miss out the most basic socialization. They might never be developed like skills typically needed to function independently in society. How to deal with a feral child? You just need to adjust because development of the feral child, just like I mentioned earlier, it's just like miss out even the most basic socialization. Those are the types of socialization. Again, what do you think is the meaning of socialization? Yes. Very good. Let's give her a 2 claps. 1, 2. Again, what are the 2 types of socialization? Yes. Very good. Let's give her a 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Now, I have a picture here of empty glass. What you're going to do is put some that getting involved to be a full human. Is it clear? Okay, class? Do you really understand our lesson for today? Can you get 1/4 sheet of paper? We will have a short quiz. For question number 1, who invented social determinism? For question 2 and 3, what is the two types of socialization? What is the two types of socialization? For the number 4, it is individual no choice but follows certain factors or causes with controlled behavior. For the last, it is the process of learning to have in a way that acceptable to a society. Let's check it. For the number 1, Emile Durkheim. For the number 2, social determinism. For the number 3, feral children. And for the number 4, feral children. And for the number 5, socialization. And for your assignment, make a poster about social density in a short bond paper. Is it clear? Okay? Thank you for today.